E-business. The term e-business, that is electronic business, derived from email and e-commerce. E-business is the administration of conducting business via internet. This would include the buying and selling of goods and services along with providing technical or customer support through internet. The concept of e-business emerged when IBM coined the term in the late 90s. The purpose was to provide buyers a platform on internet to buy and sell goods. Limitations of e-business. Point number 1, lack of personal touch. Point number 2, delivery time. Point number 3, security issues. Point number 4, government interference. Point number 5, high risk. Point number 1, lack of personal touch. E-business lacks personal touch. One cannot touch or feel the product. So it is difficult for a customer to check the quality of product. Point number 2, delivery time. The delivery of products take time. In traditional business, you get the product as soon as you buy it. But that doesn't happen in online business. The time lag often discourages the customers. Point number 3, security issues. There are a lot of people who scam through online business. Also, it is easier for hackers to get your financial details. It has few security and integrity issues. This is also causes disturbance among potential customers. Point number 4, government interference. Sometimes government monitoring can lead to interference in business. According to the new rules, the e-commerce players will have to display the total price of goods and services offered for sale along with a breakup of other charges. Point number 5, high risk. High risk is involved as there is no direct contact between the parties. In case of fraud, it becomes difficult to take legal actions. Point number 6, privacy issues. Customer provide personal details including addresses and contact numbers on the e-business site. However, personal details may be leaked during the transit or even by the online marketers to others. you.